Chapter 9, Sequences and Series. A sequence is a function whose domain is set of natural numbers. In the chapter Relations and Functions, we have studied what is a function. A relation from A to B, set A to set B. A relation from set A to set B is called a function from A to B if for every element in A there exists a unique image in B. That is a function we have studied in that lesson. And if f is a function from A to B, A is called domain and B is called codomain. So here a sequence can be defined as a function whose domain is set of natural numbers. That means for every element, n is the set of natural numbers. N means that is same as set 1, 2, 3, etc. This is set of natural numbers. For every natural number in the set, there exists a unique image. For example, I will say one example of a sequence 5, 10, 15, etc. It is a sequence. Corresponding to every natural number, there is a term in the sequence. Corresponding to 1, the term is 5. That is denoted by A1, first term, A1. Corresponding to 2, natural number 2, the term is A2. That is 10. And corresponding to natural number 3, the term is 15. That is A3. So A1, A2, A3, etc. That is a sequence. So corresponding to every natural number, there exists a unique number. That is called sequence. So a sequence can be defined as a sequence can be defined as a function whose domain is set of natural numbers. Now we'll see different type of sequences. Now we'll do exercise 9.1. The first question is the write first 5 terms of the sequence whose nth terms are an equal to n into n plus 2. So first question is nth term is given an equal to n into n plus 2. An is given. An means nth term of the sequence. So nth term an equal to n into n plus 2. So then write first 5 terms of the sequence. We have to write the first 5 terms whose nth term is an equal to n into n plus 2. So first term is a1, second term is a2, like that. So a1, so we'll find the first term, a1 equal to, substitute n equal to 1. So 1 into 1 plus 2, that is 1 into 3. 1 plus 2, 3, that is equal to 3. Then a2 equal to, put n equal to 2. 2 into 2 plus 2, that is 2 into 4. 2 into 4, that is equal to 8. Then a3, when n equal to 3, we get the third term. So put n equal to 3 here. So a3 equal to a3, put n equal to 3, you will get a3. So here also substitute n equal to 3. 3 into 3 plus 2, that is 3 into 5, that is equal to 15. A4, that is put n equal to 4, you will get fourth term. So A4, put n equal to 4, 4 into 4 plus 2, that is 4 into 6, 24. Put n equal to 5, you will get fifth term. A5 equal to 5 into 5 plus 2, 5 into 5 plus 2, that is equal to 5 into 7. 5 plus 2, 7, that is 35. So 5 into 7 for that. So these are the 5 terms. So the question is write first 5 terms of the sequence whose nth terms are given. So here this is the nth term. Using that we can find the first 5 terms. So first 5 terms are 3, 8, 15, 24, 35. These are the 5 terms of the sequence. Now fourth question, second and third similarly you can do. Now fourth one. The fourth one, an equal to 2n minus 3 divided by 6. So first term is given by putting n equal to 1. So a1 equal to 2 into 1, 2 minus 3 by 6, that is negative 1 by 6. Put n equal to 2, a2 equal to, in the place of n, write 2. 2 into 2, 4, 4 minus 3, 1, 1 by 6. a3 equal to, put n equal to 3. So 2 into 3, 6, 6 minus 3, 3, 3 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 2. Then a4, put n equal to 4. So 2 into 4, 8, 8 minus 3, 5, 5 by 6. Then a5 equal to, put n equal to 5, 2 into 5, 10, 10 minus 3, 7, 7 by 6. So these are the first 5 terms of the sequence. That is, first term negative 1 by 6, comma, second term 1 by 6, third term 1 by 2, fourth term 5 by 6, fifth term 7 by 6, etc. These are the first 5 terms of the sequence. Next, sixth one, an equal to n into n square plus 5 divided by 4. So put n equal to 1. At the first term, put n equal to 1. So 1 into 1 square, 1, 1 plus 5 by 4. That is 1 into 1 plus 5, 6 by 4. That is equal to 3 by 2. Then second term, a2 equal to 2 into 2 square, 4 plus 5 divided by 4. So cancel 2. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 by 2. Now a3. Put n equal to 3. 3 into 3 square, 9. 9 plus 5 divided by 4. That is 3 into 9 plus 5. That is 14. 14 by 4. So cancel 2. 7 by 2. 21 by 2. Then a4. a4 equal to, put n equal to 4. 4 into 4 square, 16. 16 plus 5 divided by 4. So cancel 4, we get 21. Then a5, fifth term. Put n equal to 5. 5 into 5 square, 25 plus 5 divided by 4. That is 5 into 30 by 4. Cancel this 2, 15 by 2. So 5 into 15, 75. 75 by 2. 75 by 2. So we can write the terms of the first 5 terms are, therefore first 5 terms. First term 3 by 2. Second term 9 by 2. Third term 21 by 2. Fourth term 21. Fifth term 75 by 2. So that is these are the 5 terms of the sequence. Okay.